All right, let's have a look at this problem. Sabrina is walking from home to school. While walking to school, Sabrina stops and realizes that if she walked home and then rode her bike to school, it would take the same amount of time as if she continued walking to school. If Sabrina always walks at a constant rate and rides her bike 3 times as fast as she walks, then what is the ratio of the distance from Sabrina's current location to home to the distance from Sabrina's current location to school? Okay, first thought, I think this will be easier to understand if we draw a diagram. So here we have Sabrina in the middle, walking from home on the left to school, which is on the right. And then we're talking about a bunch of distances, right? We're talking about the distance from Sabrina to home and the distance from Sabrina to school. And it would be nice if we had names for those, so let's stick in some variables. We've got H, her distance to home, and S, her distance to school. What are we actually looking for in this problem? Always a good thing to keep track of. We want the ratio of the distance from Sabrina to home to the distance from Sabrina to school, which we can now call H over S. So let's again just write that down so we don't forget what we're going after. All right, and there's one other thing we know here, right? Sabrina walks at a constant rate. We aren't told what this is, so we can just pick what's our favorite number. What's going to make this the easiest? Let's say Sabrina walks at a rate of 1. And then she rides her bike 3 times as fast, so that's cycling speed of 3. Right, second sentence. This looks like an equation to me. We've got, she's walking to school. If she walked home and then rode her bike to school, it would be the same amount of time, that's the equals in the middle, as if she continued walking to school. So let's write this down in math rather than in English, because math is easier to think about. If Sabrina walked home, that's a distance of h at a speed of 1, so the time is h. And then she rode her bike to school. She's riding her bike all the way from home to school, total distance of h plus s. And then her speed is 3. She goes faster when she cycles, so the time should be smaller, right? We need to divide by 3. So that's h plus s divided by 3. That's the same amount of time as if she just walked to school from where she is, which is distance of s, speed of 1, just s. Right, now we've got an equation. This is great, we know how to solve equations. The fraction is a little bit scary looking, so let's get rid of that. Multiply through by 3. There you go. Now we just add everything up, subtract s on both sides. 4h equals 2s. Remember what we're looking for. Good thing we wrote it down. It's h over s. So h over s is 2 over 4, which is 1/2. Right, that should be the answer. Let's look at the multiple choices for this problem and see. Looks like answer C right in the middle there is 1/2. And there we go. We got it right.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.